So I have to take out and organize my summer clothes today. Then I need to take out clothes from the boxes, and they are just summer clothes, and hang out and put it at the right place. Then I can put those winter clothes into the boxes. Hang it out and up here. Put similar colors together. Okay, I teach you a tip. First, never go shopping when you are hungry. Okay, always eat fully before you buy the clothes. And the second, always buy your current size clothes, and not to be impulsive, and you will be regret it. Really. See how crazy I am. I never know how to wear this. It's not that beautiful. When I buy it, I just want to own it. You know, the label is still on. Only wear once. The label is still on. See, this is what I say. If you have too many clothes, too much stuff, you know, it costs you too much time to organize them. And actually, it's already, stressful for me to organize them annually. Every time when the season is changing, and you will feel stressful that you have to take out all the clothes out again and put them in again, then you have to spend lots of time to clean them, wash them, and iron them, and actually you will also spend lots of time to to get rid of them, and you have to make decision. Is also it's also kind of hard thing for everybody. You want to keep everything and don't want to throw them away, and when you throw away, and that waste money and waste time. That's what I say. We have to minimalism now, and to save more time and energy for ourselves, particularly when I'm getting aged. Then you can save more time for you to do more things that you always want, and to do more interesting things, and to do more meaningful things for you, and not just to spend the time on the clothes, and that's kind of really waste lots of time. Okay, I do need more exercises to wear this lovely tops. Another one is label on. This one. See this one? I never wear. It's too tight. Okay. I do some adjustment, that can save the space and the hangers.